land normally thirsty for rain, suddenly overwhelmed by a devastating torrent of water which vanished as suddenly as it had arrived. The small town of Rubi near Barcelona was among the worst hit. Streets which escaped the full force became channels of mud. Buildings in the path of the flood are literally no more. Here alone, some 300 are dead or missing. Following sudden, unprecedented cloudbursts, water roared down every ravine and gully of the mountains. Thundering towards the sea, it swept all before it. "500 square miles are affected. The job of restoring even a skeleton of communications, of succoring the homeless, of searching for the dead, is back-breaking, heartbreaking." The death roll, already nearly 400, may finally total more than 1,000.